Well, what I can say about my music is that my music hasn't been quite, something that I took so professionally. At first I was like trying to do what is in me. I want to do because I didn't have the privilege, of people around you who would want to encourage you, your music would want to correct you, certain things out there. So I had to go all along by myself, do what I have to do. I started recording my mixtapes in my room, my little ghetto was just recording mixtapes. I was calling people, my friends, rappers to come and rap, let's collaborate, let's do this. We're always trying to get something out there to show that we can do something because we tried for a long time to get people to support us, maybe financially, to get us to record in bigger studios, and that wasn't working because we were just, upcomers. That's what they call us. But then we know what we can do, and now we are out there on YouTube, on social media, Hawkshare, Reverb Nation, all the websites you can think of, MySpace, My Heaven, everything is going down smoothly, and that is great. I love that. I love that. I really love that. And so I love my fans. I love musicians out there. I love Yapono, Pono Biu, Uriaze. I love Sarkodie, Obede Pompede, that nigga is wild, man. I love Shatawale, Wale, and all the fun guys out there, especially FOK and boys. I love One Love Kobolo, and I love Mesa. Reggie Rockstone Gandada salute, yes, there. Yeah, and all the shutters out there, big boys, or Brafo. Kasiepa, I love a Brafo. That's my choice, And I love engineers out there. Most of them doing a great work. We have guys like EL. EL is a great engineer and a great rapper. And we have guys like Hammer. We have guys like Zab Mallet, Kill Beat. We have guys like Posse G, Posse G, and there's one of my guys, Bonnie. It's been a long time, Bonnie inside Tema. What's going on? What's popping? It's been a long time. And also we have Metman, Met Mix. These are my guys. All my guys inside Tema. Ice Dog, yes, Ice Dog, Dead Man. We love our two beasts. I love our two beasts. And Seke J with me and all of my other guys, we still love our two B's. We love everybody who is supporting Ghana music, and we want you to buy Ghana music. We want you to listen to Ghana music, and also follow Ghana music. Vote for your favorites in awards, in everything, every platform. Try to do the best. Show love to some artists out there. Yes, and I'm showing love to myself, because I love this Miss V, Miss V. Ha. Let me tell you something, Miss V, she's wild. Yes, wild, and Kaki is also wild, and also I like Ifia Arindo. She blows my mind, man. She blows my mind. Yeah, good singers out there. We love everybody. Yeah, shout out to my man Seke J.